Hello everybody and welcome back to this episode of The Secret Yorkshire Cook. Today's recipe tutorial is quick Spanish prawn and chorizo rice. I'll leave all ingredients needed on the right hand side of the screen. But very quickly guys, just before I do jump into this tutorial, I'd like to give Graham at Hardwood Chopping Boards a shout out. He has made me this absolutely gorgeous chopping board. I mean, look at the patterns on there. It's absolutely stunning. All links can be found in the description below to his social media and his website, so please do check him out guys. Also in the link in the description below you will find a link to his YouTube channel where you can actually watch him making this very board. A really useful thing that also he sent with the board is actually how to care for the chopping board, which I think is really important, and it's really something that obviously shows that they pride themselves in the quality of their boards. I will just hold up his details here on this card. I would like to point just one thing out. I didn't pay for these boards. He did make them and send them to me as part of a promotion. But I would not have said yes if I didn't believe in the quality that his boards are. Anyway guys, I'm sure you've heard enough of my voice. It's now time to jump into this quick Spanish prawn and chorizo rice tutorial. I hope you enjoy guys. Please do give the video a thumbs up and comment below.